This is the Emergency Medical Minute, sponsored by Mile High Ambulance. The Emergency Medical Minute is excited to announce that we are now offering AMA, PRA, Category 1 credits via online course modules. To access these and for more information, visit our website at www.emergencymedicalminute.com/CME-courses, or simply click on the link in our show notes and create an account.
All right. Good evening, everybody. So it's a medical minute that is about a study that deals with some of our favorite subjects, patient satisfaction, burnout, and empathy, kind of all three in one. So the study tried to kind of figure out if provider empathy and burnout affected patient satisfaction scores. It was an interesting study where they surveyed a bunch of emergency medicine providers, asking them to self-report how their empathy was and how their burnout level was. And then they asked the patients about their satisfaction scores and kind of tried to figure out what the correlation was. Interestingly, it did not matter what the providers thought about their own empathy and their own burnout. It had no correlation whatsoever to how satisfied their patients were. But what did matter was how the patients, how empathic or how empathetic they thought the providers were. So if you're not empathetic at all, but the patients think you're empathetic, then they're still satisfied. So how do you make patients think you're empathetic? I'm not totally sure. But if you kind of show them you care about them, if you're interested in them, if you just do your best to be empathetic towards the patients, even if you're having a terrible day and you're super burnt out, like most of us probably are on a day-to-day basis, we're in their waiting room and super kind of overwhelmed here. As long as they think that we're empathetic for them, that is a good goal. Any questions? Any comments? All right. Thanks, guys.
The Emergency Medical Minute would like to thank our sponsor, Swedish Medical Center, for helping fund our nonprofit organization and make this podcast possible. Donations are essential to our organization to cover operational costs and fund the creation of our online courses offering AMA, PRA, Category 1 credits. So if you enjoy our show, and if you're able to make a one-time or recurring donation towards our organization, any amount is helpful. Please click the link in our show notes to make a donation. Thank you for listening.